Yo, what's up everybody? It's Michael here with WealthRise00, and today we're diving headfirst into the future of earning. We're talking AI, but not just the cool sci-fi stuff. I'm talking about the actual tools you can use right now to level up your income game in 2025. Whether you're freelancing, investing, running an online store, or building a content empire, AI is changing the game, and honestly, it's like having superpowers. We're talking about automating tasks, making smarter decisions, and ultimately freeing up your time and energy to focus on what really matters. So if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of earning potential, buckle up, because we're about to break down the top AI tools that can help you crush it in 2025. Stay tuned to the very end, because I've got a special bonus for you guys, a free guide to help you get started with all of this. Alright freelancers, let's talk. You know the struggle juggling multiple clients, endless deadlines, and the constant hustle for new gigs. But what if I told you AI can be your secret weapon to conquer it all? First up, we've got AI writing assistants like ChatGPT and Jasper. These tools are like having a team of expert writers at your fingertips. Need to crank out a blog post, write compelling ad copy, or even draft a proposal? Just feed in your requirements and boom, high-quality content in minutes. Visuals are everything these days, and MidJourney and DALL-E are here to take your designs to the next level. Imagine creating stunning graphics, logos, or even entire website layouts just by describing what you have in mind. These AI-powered tools can handle it all, making you look like a design pro, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. And the best part? These tools free up your time and energy to focus on what you do best, landing those high-paying clients and delivering exceptional work. By automating the tedious stuff, you can take on more projects, increase your output, and ultimately, boost your income without burning yourself out. But hey, I know what you're thinking, Michael, are these tools going to replace freelancers altogether? And honestly, I get it, it's a valid concern. But here's the thing, AI is a tool, not a replacement. By embracing these AI tools, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're positioning yourself as a forward-thinking, efficient, and highly skilled professional. So don't be afraid to experiment, explore, and see how AI can revolutionize your freelance game. Now let's talk investing. You don't need to be Warren Buffett to grow your wealth. AI-powered robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront are here to make investing accessible and effortless for everyone. Here's how it works. You answer a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Based on your answers, these platforms use sophisticated algorithms to create a personalized investment portfolio tailored to your specific needs. These robo-advisors continuously monitor your investments, rebalance your portfolio as needed, and even reinvest dividends automatically. It's like having a personal financial advisor working for you 24/7, but without the hefty fees. And the best part? AI-powered investing eliminates the emotional roller coaster that often comes with managing your own money. With robo-advisors, you can kiss those emotional biases goodbye and let the algorithms do the heavy lifting. Many robo-advisors offer hybrid models where you can have some level of control while still benefiting from AI-driven insights and automation. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's definitely worth exploring the world of AI-powered investing. Chapter 3, AI in e-commerce, from product research to optimize sales. E-commerce entrepreneurs, this one's for you. In today's competitive online marketplace, staying ahead of the game is crucial. Thankfully, AI is here to be your secret weapon for everything from optimizing your store to predicting customer behavior. Platforms like Shopify are now integrated with powerful AI features that can help you design a stunning online store, personalize the customer experience, and even automate marketing tasks. Need to find the perfect products to sell? AI-powered tools like Helium 10 can analyze market trends, identify profitable niches, and even spy on your competitors, legally of course. AI can also help you optimize your pricing strategies, manage your inventory more efficiently, and even provide personalized product recommendations to your customers. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can predict what your customers want before they even know it themselves. That's the power of AI in e-commerce. AI-powered chatbots can handle basic inquiries, provide instant support, and even process orders, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, but one thing's for sure, AI is here to stay. By embracing these tools, you can streamline your operations, gain a competitive edge, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Chapter 4, Social Media Domination, AI Tools for Effortless Content and Engagement. Alright, social media gurus, listen up. We all know that consistency is key when it comes to building a loyal following and growing your online presence. But let's be real, creating engaging content day in and day out can feel like a full-time job in itself. But what if I told you AI can help you streamline your social media strategy, save you hours of precious time, and even boost your engagement? Sound too good to be true? Well, buckle up because it's about to get real interesting. First up, we've got Canva, but not just the Canva you're used to. Canva AI takes design to a whole new level, allowing you to create stunning graphics, videos, and even entire social media posts with just a few clicks. Need to edit videos on the fly? Vidyo.ai is a game changer. This AI-powered video editor can automatically transcribe your videos, add captions, and even create short, shareable clips optimized for different social media platforms. Hootsuite AI can help you schedule posts, track your performance, and even identify the best times to post for maximum engagement. By analyzing data, tracking trends, and understanding user behavior, AI can provide you with invaluable insights that can help you create more engaging content, reach a wider audience, and ultimately, achieve your social media goals. Chapter 5. Content Creation. Revolution. AI Tools for Next-Level Videos and Blogs. Content creators, this one's for you. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, podcaster, or anything in between, you know that creating high-quality content consistently is the name of the game. But it's also incredibly time-consuming and can sometimes feel like you're talking to a wall. But what if I told you AI can help you take your content to the next level, reach a wider audience, and even automate some of the more tedious tasks? Sounds pretty good, right? First up, we've got AI-powered video editing tools like Descript and Pictory. These tools can transcribe your videos, automatically remove filler words and silences, and even create engaging video clips from your long-form content. AI writing assistants like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you generate blog post ideas, write compelling headlines, and even create entire articles with just a few clicks. AI-powered tools like SurferSEO and Phrase.io can analyze your content, track your rankings, and even suggest relevant keywords to help you rank higher in search results. AI tools can handle the technical stuff, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what really matters, connecting with your audience, sharing your unique perspective, and creating content that truly resonates. Outro: level up your income with AI. The future is now. And there you have it, guys, a glimpse into the incredible world of AI and how it can transform the way you work and earn in 2025 and beyond. From freelancing and investing to e-commerce and content creation, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, and the possibilities are truly limitless. But here's the thing. You don't have to be a tech whiz or coding genius to take advantage of these tools. They're designed to be accessible, user-friendly, and honestly, pretty darn fun to use. So, what are you waiting for? The future is calling, and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind. Download the free guide linked below, start exploring these incredible tools, and get ready to unlock your full earning potential.